me.
You take that back! You're not allowed to use that! You're not allowed to use that! Shut the fuck up! Okay. Porky! Help!
Thank you for listening to me. Thank you, I love you, thank you, I love you,
Are you fucking kidding? You should be headed your way. Yahoo! I'm not done with you yet. It's a Mario time. No, Mario, no. Who's her? I barely even know her. Ah! Beat me senselessness.
Oh yeah.
No, what? Oh, son of a gun. Where'd you? Wrong voice. Oh, Squidward. I'm gonna kick your fucking ass! They're totally barrels. They're not logs.
Kind of. What kind of backwards ass logic is that? Oh, Christ! Oh, of course!
What do you mean backwards ass logic? Do you
You're
know
an ass for a drink!
Yeah, oh.
Ah! You know what you did! Take responsibility! Stop resisting! Just let me kill you!
Kiss my ass.
Ah! Get back or I'll saw you and half you! Where'd he go? What costume? I think of a rabbit! I think of a rabbit! See what he's got in the Cut it off! It's a huge mess! Look at the size of this puddle! I gotta clean it with my bare hands! God, it's too thick! It's like cleaning yogurt! You ever clean yogurt? Fucking shit.
Hello, old person. Do you have any money you could spare to a local homosexual? It is Pride Month after all, so you have to give me all of your money, obviously.
Pride Month, Schmide Month!
What?
Go away! It's June, motherfucker! What the fuck?
What did we even lose?
Well, oh my fucking god! I just got over
Grab
this!
the M119. I'll go shoot him up.
Stop taking my shit! I didn't even ask her to take it!
I'm taking your shit!
Go shoot him! Craig, shut up! You boys make me want to disown you!
Sign my face! You're so cool! That's right. I got all their autographs, and when I grow up, I'm gonna murder and marry Jeremy and join the team! No! Jeremy!
Tucker fights the Epstein gorilla. Not again! The Epstein bear? Jimmy! You get an F!
We got good old MarcusShawVA. Everyone knows him. Say hi.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, let's figure this out.
War propaganda!
Propaganda.
War propaganda.
Propaganda! Police brutality! Remember when this was going to be a serious game for Sonic Village? And now
No
all
one
the answers-
said
all the answers are
No
Lionel
one, you
Richie.
never led any fact to the fact. Thanks, Marcus.
You're just doing it.
It came out in 1993.
And it was
Alright, is this Omo Chow?
I'm Omo Chow.
Yeah, Omo Chow.
All the presidents right here! Fire at him, boys! Kill him! Kill him!
Hello?
Garfield. He's like a mix of Boo and Hades from Kid Icarus.
Oh, wait, I get it. Oh my god, it took me this long to get it.
I swear to...
Think
Wait,
about
get what?
Think about he's trying to use the Arabian Nights, right? He's erasing everything before to
You just get that after 20, almost 20-something years! You're out of your mind!
Thank you, Marcus, for screaming for me.
What of his name? You better call off a day of work.
Fight.
Saul Goodman or Soul Bad Guy?
What? That guy. Joke's on you. I'm
treat it like a joystick, bro. Your imaginary lover. Don't worry, he'll be there at some point.
Shut the fuck up.
Don't say that to him.
Eraser Jin was his awakening.
I hate
Bro
you.
started cheating on Hades.
I was gonna
Sorry.
say, even Hades.
Sorry, Hades. When I'm fucking you, I'm thinking of Eraser Jin. Yeah, but he ain't in the story, so don't worry about it.
Ow! Hey, I'm already in the desert. I'm already in enough heat. Get it? Because, like, it's hot, and, you know, like, it's the desert.
Bro, you're gonna get in fucking trouble if you hit those fucking jars. Break a fuck-ass jar, please.
No, I'm not breaking the jar.
Please slow
Yeah,
down
there's
so you
actually
turn
a
into
really
that
cool
jar.
thing in
God
the jar
damn
if
it.
you actually touch it.
Look, I got tricked like that before when I was playing Siege with my friend, alright? I'm not doing that. Fuck. I misclicked.
No, he didn't like Sonic Adventure 2, but I didn't know he was that lobotomized to make a statement like that.
That was funny.
Okay. F! Yeah, go Mets, baby! I love the Mets! Let's go Mets! Let's fucking go Mets! Bro hasn't even asked me how I felt about this game. I
mean,
played it.
You played it front to back?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
the
so-
stories.
Fucking sucks!
Damn.
The two of the having to break down on you because it has a limit to its faults, and it's still one of my favorite Nintendo games of all time. You would know, Jav. It's one of yours.
You were cutting out. Your mic was peaking. I did not even...
Where'd all my drink go?
Faisal, can I please kill him?
I hope there are no more rings that come in and that eyeball comes like a Kako demon in Doom. Yeah! Yeah!
Oh
What?
my God.
What? No, game! That's not fair! Kill him now!
Nope.
What are you doing? You're doing this on purpose! It's all purpose! It's all purpose! You jump over it! Unless you feel like you can't jump in this game, because guess what? It's kind of stupid when you do!
7 rings in hand.
See, Jav, you're not supposed to die.
I command you to hit him.
Bro's scared as fuck.
Nope, fuck!
Bro!
My powers are very powerful.
No, see, the thing is, at least
But
this
no,
game-
Faisal, Jav has been at the point of saying this game is at higher range of being better than Sonic Adventure 2 Battle, period.
Let's okay, no.
He's on our side now, fucker.
You thought you cooked.
Yeah, I was about to say, fucking Jeff is like, I'm literally the sauce. Show up a PNG of ketchup.
Bro, just beat this Flintstone to the next level.
Sonic the Hedgehog. Okay, just don't. Don't worry.
Speed break! And literally nothing happens!
You coming up with any better ideas? Stop it! The problem is...
Stop fighting! Bro, you don't deserve any One Piece jokes. We're gonna let AG have you suffer in the fucking aftermath of watching this. Saying all that.
I'm money too smoothie, and I'm gonna be king of the pirates.
L skill. I don't know. I don't really watch Death Note. Get it? Because like one of the characters' name is L.
You're so funny.
Oh, Jeff, you make me cackle. That was so good.
You know what, Andrew? I want you to make his forehead as large as you can.
That's not really feasible.
Give me a few.